Do you often feel anxious or overwhelmed? In our fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become an all-too-common part of daily life. The constant rush, the endless to-do lists, the never-ending demands can take a toll on our mental health. But here's the silver lining. There are relaxation techniques specifically designed to manage anxiety. These techniques can provide a much-needed respite, helping you regain a sense of calm and control. You are not alone, and there are effective ways to cope with anxiety. One of the simplest ways to reduce anxiety is deep breathing. This technique is as straightforward as it sounds, but its impact on calming the mind can be profound. Deep breathing involves focusing your attention on each inhale and exhale, creating a rhythm that helps to quiet the mind chatter and bring about a sense of peace and relaxation. So how do you practice deep breathing? It's simple. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this process, concentrating on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. As thoughts come into your mind, gently guide your focus back to your breathing. This technique is not just about the physical act of breathing, but more importantly, it's about bringing your attention to the present. Remember, deep breathing is an anchor that brings you back to the present moment. Progressive muscle relaxation is another effective technique to combat anxiety. Imagine a wave of relaxation flowing through your body, starting from your toes all the way up to the crown of your head. This is the essence of progressive muscle relaxation, a method that involves tensing and then relaxing each muscle group in your body. Let's walk through it together. You begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then, starting with your toes, tense them for a count of 5 before releasing the tension and allowing them to completely relax. You'll repeat this process, working your way up your body. Flex your feet, tense your calves, your thighs, all the way up to your facial muscles. Remember, the key is to tense and then release, feeling the relaxation deep within each muscle group. With practice, you will be able to use this technique to quickly relax and reduce anxiety. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help reduce anxiety. Imagine for a moment, you're on a beach. You can feel the warm sand between your toes. Hear the gentle lapping of the waves, the seagulls cawing in the distance. This is the concept of visualization. It's the process of creating a mental image or intention of what you want to happen or feel. The brain is a powerful entity, capable of transporting you to calming scenarios, even when in reality, you're still in the midst of your hectic life. Now let's talk about how to perform visualization. Start by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you can focus without distraction. Close your eyes and take a few deep, relaxing breaths. Begin to imagine a place that makes you feel calm and peaceful. This could be a beach, a forest, a favorite childhood spot, or even a fantasy setting. The key is to engage all your senses. Hear the sounds, feel the textures, smell the aromas, taste the air. The more detailed your visualization, the more immersive and effective it will be. Remember, the goal of visualization is not to escape reality, but to help you manage it more effectively. It's a technique to create a mental sanctuary, a place you can retreat to when the pressures of the world become overwhelming. With practice, you'll find that these visual journeys can provide a profound sense of relaxation and peace. Visualization allows you to take a mental vacation whenever you need one. Mindfulness meditation is a time-tested technique to manage anxiety. This practice finds its roots in ancient Buddhist philosophy and has been revitalized in our modern world as a powerful tool to combat the stresses of daily life. At its core, mindfulness meditation is about being present. It's about anchoring ourselves in the here and now, rather than getting swept away by the tumultuous tides of past regrets or future worries. It's about observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment or resistance. Instead of trying to suppress our anxiety, we learn to acknowledge it, to sit with it. We observe it as a passing cloud in the vast sky of our consciousness. Now, let's delve into how one can practice mindfulness meditation. It's simpler than you might think. First, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed posture, keeping your back straight but not rigid. Close your eyes or maintain a soft gaze. Begin by focusing on your breath. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale, the warmth as you exhale. Don't try to control your breath, just observe it. To wrap up, remember that managing anxiety is a journey, not a destination. We've explored various relaxation techniques today, each offering its own unique path towards achieving tranquility. Deep breathing, a simple yet powerful tool, can help to calm your mind and body. Progressive muscle relaxation, on the other hand, allows you to systematically relax different muscle groups, releasing tension bit by bit. Then there's visualization, a mental escape to a serene place of your choosing, and mindfulness meditation, a practice of focusing on the present moment without judgment. Each of these techniques holds the potential to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. But remember, consistency is key. Implementing these techniques into your daily routine can make all the difference. It's about finding what works best for you, what soothes your soul, and what brings you peace. Remember, you have the power to manage your anxiety and live a relaxed, fulfilling life.